There is one main reason why your manifestation fails to take actuality into the third densities where we are physically. If you remember one sentence that I have heard by Neville Goddard, which has been inspired by the Bible, everything will change. The game will be yours to play with. And let's say that you wish to manifest wealth. You want to be wealthy, you want to be financially free. And somehow a bill comes to you that was not supposed to happen. Maybe it's higher than you believed it should be. Right away, your heart starts to beat harder. You begin to feel a nasty emotion, maybe resentment against the person who sent it to you. Maybe you start feeling lack, feeling stress, but whatever it is. Just know that if you were rich or financially free as you want to be, you will not care. It will not be an issue for you. Even if I will give you a $100 ticket, $500 ticket, who cares if you got the money? No stress, you just pay it. And if you understand that, you must fake it until you make it to manifest. You must embody your manifestation. To know more about it, check this out. If you are truly acting as if you are financially free now, the outcome will be different. Therefore, every time that you feel negative emotion that are not in synchronization with the reality to which you want to synchronize with, then I'm sorry, but you are destroying your work. You are being in harmony with the reality where you are poor. So the sentence to remember is that we must turn our back to the lion and only envision the light of our manifestation. And the lion is in front of you. It wants to eat you. It is whatever which is a contrary proof of your goal, of your desire that you want to manifest. But if you just try to resist to it, you give it importance, you say that it exists, you feed it. But if you renounce it, it means that you do not even acknowledge that it exists. You turn your back to it and look at the light of your vision, which now is being financially free. You will affirm within yourself instead of feeling negativity. Thank you so much, Krishna, God, the universe, whatever you want to choose for yourself, that you have always given me what I require. I never lack. I am constantly abundant, always receiving all that I need and more. Therefore, I will give this money, circulate it into the world, and the equivalent will come back to me at a tremendous speed with an amazing bonus. Do you see the difference between the one who acts in lack, who will be a failure in manifestation, and the one who turns his back to the lion and constantly baits his consciousness as if the reality he wants is here now, emotionally, physically, mentally. So to help each other out, let us know within the comment, what is the last thing which came to you that was contrary to your manifestation, and how did you deal with it, or how will you deal with it next time? And remember that the more your energy body is vibrant, is strong, the easier it is to manifest in the quantum field. So if you want to transform your system, enhance it, check out Spiritual Growth Academy. It will be a game changer. If you found any value, I welcome you to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.